Hello everyone, this is Munam from WP Swings and welcome all of you to our channel of WP Swings, where we discuss WordPress and WooCommerce solutions that can help you grow your online business, which will ultimately assist you to provide a top-notch user experience and customer satisfaction. Hence, stay tuned with our channel to keep getting back-to-back product tutorials and interesting updates. Today's demo video is about the RMA Return, Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce Pro plugin, the Refund and Exchange Management plugin that aims to simplify your refund and exchange management processes. So in this video, I will be only explaining you about the pro features of refund functionality, and for the exchange, cancel and wallet feature, I will be explaining in the upcoming video parts of this plugin. Before starting with the setup part, let me give you a short introduction to the product. If your online store doesn't have a refund management system, your customers can switch to another shop, thus leading to customer dissatisfaction and ultimately decreased sales. What if you can add a feature of refund in your online store and manage huge refund requests with email notifications and conversations with your customers? So let's get started. What is RMA Return, Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce Pro? RMA Return, Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce Pro is a plugin that aims at facilitating the online merchants to implement refund and exchange and cancel management system in their WooCommerce stores. Having features like easy refund processes, simplified stock management, email notifications, discounts on refunds and exchange, and much more helps the admin to easily and effectively manage the refund, exchange, and cancel request of the customers and ensures a high degree of customer satisfaction. So this is how the refund plugin simplifies your work and helps you delight your customers. So now let's start with the setup and installation part. We are on the WordPress dashboard. So before starting with the setup part, let me show you how we can easily install the plugin. So for installing the plugin, you have to hover on plugins and click on add new. So for getting the pro plugin, we have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can get it from there, or you can also visit WP Swings website and you can get RMA Return, Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce Pro plugin. So once you have got the zip file, you can click on upload plugin and you can click on choose file and you can click on install now. So as you can see that the plugin has been installed. Now you have to click on activate plugin. But make sure while you are installing the pro plugin, you must have the free plugin, that is Return, Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce. So for getting the free plugin, we have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can get the plugin and download the plugin from there. So now let's click on activate plugin. So as you can see that the plugin has been activated. As you can see that RMA Return, Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce Pro, and here is the free plugin, that is Return, Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce. So you can also get it from wordpress.org and type Return, Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce by WP Swings. So you can get the free plugin. So firstly you can install the free plugin, then you can install the pro plugin. So let's click on settings, or you can also hover on WP Swings and click on Return, Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce. We are on the backend settings of Return, Refund and Exchange for WooCommerce. So in this demo video, I will be explaining you about the pro features, and in this demo video, I will be only explaining you about the refund functionality and wallet functionality. And the rest of the parts, I will be explaining you about the exchange functionality, cancel, and global shipping integration. So all these settings I will be covering up in the part 2 and part 3. So in the part 1 only I will be explaining about the refund functionality, and so let's begin with the demo video. So we are on the general settings. So the very first field is enable the refund. So from here the admin can enable the refund functionality, and if he wants to enable the order message, so from here he can click on this toggle button to enable the order message. And if he wants to show the bank details field for manual refund, so simply he can click on this toggle button to show the bank details field for manual refund. So all these functionalities I have explained in detail in the free version demo video. So we have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can watch the free version demo video from there, or you can click on this I button to watch the free version demo video and watch these functionalities, how they work in detail. So let's start with the pro features. So firstly, the field is enable single refund and exchange request per order. So with this functionality, the admin will get the exclusive feature by which he can restrict the single usage of either refund or exchange request per order. That means if the customer can either opt for refund or exchange. So once any of them is selected and proceeded, so automatically the other option will disappear and will not be available. So what does this mean? This means if the admin will enable this and click on save settings, and let's go here and refresh this. So as you can see that there are two buttons coming, that is refund button and exchange button. So let me click on refund button and let us click on this, and let us write any description, suppose like this, and let me click on submit request. So as you can see that refund request has been placed successfully. Let us go to the my account and let us click on orders. So as you can see that refund is requested, and as you can see that exchange button has disappeared because from the back end we have enabled this functionality to enable single refund and exchange request per order. That means if the customer opts for exchange, then refund button will disappear, or if the customer has opted for refund functionality and he has requested for refund, then automatically exchange request will not be available for the customer. So this plays a great role by which the admin can restrict the single usage of refund or exchange for the customers. So this is how the admin can easily enable this functionality from here. So now let's move to the next field, that is enable refund and exchange for exchange approved order. So this can turn out to be a great feature for your customers. Like suppose a customer has placed an exchange request and exchange is approved, then for the exchange approved order, the admin can also allow refund or exchange for the exchange approved order. So from here the admin can enable this functionality, and this will allow the customers to place the refund and exchange request for exchange approved order also. So they can ask for refund and exchange for a particular exchange approved order. So from here the admin can enable or disable the functionality. Next field is show sidebar for refund, exchange and cancel form. So from here the admin can enable this functionality, and here the admin can use widgets to add sidebar on the refund, exchange and cancel form. So adding a sidebar will help your customer to take specific actions without getting distracted. It acts as an extra context for the customers. So let's go to the appearance and let us click on widgets. And here as you can see that the sidebar, here you can type the heading as, so I have written like return and refund tab. So let me click on update, and now let us move to this order section page, and here let me refresh this. So as you can see that return and refund tab is coming here. So because from the backend we have enabled the functionality, and make sure you have clicked on save settings, because if you will not click on save settings and here you have added, so this will not show here. So as you can see that here it is coming. So this is because from here we have enabled this functionality to show the sidebar for refund, exchange and cancel form, and after adding in the widget section text or whatever things you want to add as a sidebar, so here you can add it very easily. So let's cut this and let us go back to this general settings. So let's scroll down. So the next field is hide refund, exchange and cancel button for COD when processing. So this means with this field the admin can restrict the refund, exchange and cancel button for all the COD orders or cash on delivery orders till they are in processing for the order status. Like order status is processing, so for that the admin can restrict or hide the refund, exchange and cancel button for all the cash on delivery orders. So suppose here, as you can see, that one of the order is in processing for the cash on delivery and the status is showing as processing, and as you can see that refund button and exchange button is available for the customers so that they can ask for refund or exchange. But from here, as soon as the admin will click on this toggle button and click on save settings, so as you can see that the refund and exchange button is not available for the processing cash on delivery for the customers. So this is how the admin can easily restrict and hide the refund, exchange and cancel button for all the cash on delivery orders for the order status processing. So this is how the admin can enable or disable this functionality. So let us click on save settings. Next field is guest feature via phone number. So it's an outstanding feature by which the customers can directly use phone numbers as a primary ID to request for a refund, order or exchange or cancel. So let me enable this. But before enabling this, let me explain you what is guest form shortcode. So basically in this plugin we have added this feature by which the admin can create a guest form in just few steps so as to facilitate his customers directly to log in and proceed for refund, exchange and cancel for their particular order. So let me copy this shortcode, and you just have to go to the pages and click on add new, and here you can type like guest form shortcode, guest form, and here you can click on plus icon, and here you can click on shortcode, and here you can paste the shortcode and click on publish. So let's view the page. So as you can see that this is the guest form here, and here the customer can enter their order ID and enter order email, and let me show you how. So let us click on this order. So the order ID is 5758 and the email is this, and let me click on submit. So as you can see that directly order has been it has been redirected to that particular order here with the details like this, and here the message button and refund and exchange button is coming here. Next, if you will move back, and here when we will enable this guest feature via phone number and click on save settings, and let me refresh this. So here as you can see that the phone number is coming here. So here the customer can enter the phone number and the order ID like 5758, and here can enter the phone number, so and click on submit. So it will be redirected to the particular order where he can ask for refund, exchange or cancel. So this is how the admin can easily add a guest form to facilitate the customers to directly enter the ID and email or phone number so that they can request for refund, exchange or cancel. So this is how you can add this guest form with the help of using this shortcode, and you can also allow guest feature via phone number. So this was all about the guest form shortcode, how easily we can use guest form shortcode and guest feature via phone number. Now let's move to next field, that is refund, exchange, cancel functionality start from order status date. So with this functionality, the admin can simply decide on which particular date the return, refund and exchange cancel functionality will start based on different order status. Like here the admin can decide processing, on hold, completed, exchange approved, exchange requested, partially cancelled and many other fields like here you can choose. So with this whatever the order status is decided, so on that particular date refund, exchange and cancel functionality will start from that particular order status date. So this was all about this field. Now let's move to next field, that is enable to reset the license on deactivation of the plugin. So the admin can easily reset the license on deactivation of the plugin by clicking on this toggle button and clicking on save settings. So by clicking on save settings, whenever the plugin is deactivated, so the license will be reset, and whenever the plugin will be activated, so the license has to be activated on reactivating the plugin when this functionality is enabled. So this was all about the general settings and the pro features of this particular refund. Now let's move to next tab, that is refund settings. So adjacent to general settings, you will find the refund tab that will help you to configure the various fields of refund that will lead to a smooth refund process for your customers. So the very first field is select pages to hide refund button. So as you can see that this field and enable to show manage stock button, enable attachments, and here when you will scroll down, so as you can see that this refund button text and enable refund reason description and enable refund rules. So all these functionalities I have explained you in detail, so you can watch the free version demo video. So we have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can click on the link and watch the free version demo video. So let's start with the pro features. So let's scroll down. So here as you can see that the first field is enable to refund on sales item. So this functionality will help the admin to enable the refund on sale items. So with this, all the products on sale once purchased by the customers will be eligible for the refund if the customer wants a refund in case the product delivered is not fit, damaged, wrong, or any other issues coming with the product. So giving refund on sale items will not only help out the customers but will also help to maintain the customer engagement for your store. So from here you can enable this functionality from here. Next is deduct coupon amount during refund. So from here the admin can click on this toggle button. So with this functionality enabled, so as soon as the functionality is enabled, whenever the customer will opt for a refund, so whenever the refund request is approved from the admin's end. So first let me click on save settings and let us go to WooCommerce and then click on orders. So here as you can see that one of the order refund is approved, and here let us click on this. So when we will scroll down, so as you can see that here is the option of refund is coming here, and the coupon that was applied by the customer, here as you can see that of $2 that has been subtracted, that is minus $2, and rest of the like $18 and shipping and GST cost, all of the order total is $72. So this will be refunded to the customer excluding this coupon amount, that is $2. So this is how this functionality can be enabled from here to deduct the coupon amount during refund. So this feature can be enabled from here from the backend settings. So this was all about the deducting coupon amount during refund. Now let's move to next field, that is enable auto accept refund request. So here as soon as the admin will click on this toggle button, so it will facilitate the admin so that whenever the refund request is placed from the customer's end, so automatically the refund request will be accepted, and it will allow to save time of the admin to manually accept the refund request. So this functionality can be enabled from the backend as per the business requirement of the admin and his store requirements. So this functionality can be enabled. Next field is enable to block the customer refund request mail. So if the customer do not want the refund request mail to get it from the customer, so simply he can enable this functionality from here, and he can block the customer refund request mail. So it will play a great role if the admin does not want to entertain like refund mail from the customer, so simply he can enable this functionality, and this will block the customer refund request mail from the customer ends to reach to the admin. So this was all about the blocking the customer refund request mail. Next field is enable to auto restock when refund request is accepted. So it will act as a great assistance for the admin, and will also act as a time-saving feature by which the admin can enable to auto restock when refund request is accepted from the backend. So with the product will be auto restock when the refund request is accepted. So from here the admin can enable this functionality and auto restock the product when the refund request is accepted for that particular product. So let's scroll down. So the next field is a reason of refund placeholder. So with this functionality, the admin can enter the text to assess the customer regarding what they have to fill in the description. So this is completely customizable as per the admin requirement. So suppose if I have written like a reason of refund placeholder, so I'm writing like, So I have written like enter the refund description. So this will show as a refund placeholder. So I will show you how this will look. So next field is a refund request form shipping fee description. So here likewise I have written this extra shipping fee will be detected when the refund request is approved. So here the admin can also provide a disclaimer about the shipping fee on the refund request form, like the admin can describe or enter the text description for shipping fee description for the refund. So here like I have written like this. So let me click on save settings and let us go to the order page. So here let me click on refund button. So let's scroll down. So as you can see that this disclaimer is coming as this extra shipping fee will be deducted from the total amount when the refund request is approved. So here it will show the shipping charges and the amount. So right now it is not showing because firstly we have to configure the global shipping and decide the fee amount. Then here it will show the shipping charges. So here as you can see that this disclaimer is coming. So here as you can see that in this description box the placeholder is coming as placeholder text is coming as enter the refund description. So this is coming because in the placeholder text we have decided like enter the refund description. So here it is coming like this. So this is how you can the admin can easily configure or customize the placeholder text, as well as can also notify the customer about the refund request form shipping fee description. So this was all about the refund request form shipping fee description. Let's move to the next field, that is about enabling the refund note on product page. With the functionality of enabling the refund note on product page, so in case the admin doesn't want to give a refund on some of the product, so with this feature the admin can notify the customers about the product with the help of refund note that this product is not refundable, to avoid any confusion regarding the refund for the product, so that the customer will not be confused that why refund is not available for this particular product. So here below this you can also decide the refund note on product page. Like I have decided this product is not refundable. So let me click on this to enable this functionality, and let me click on save settings. And after doing these settings you have to go to RMA policies, and here you have to decide one rule, like I am adding refund. In case you have to choose option exclude product, and here you can decide whatever, like I am deciding beanie with logo, and let me click on save settings. So now let us go to shop page, and here let me click on this. So as you can see that here disclaimer is coming as this product is not refundable. So whenever the customer will suppose the customers come on your shop page and he chooses this product, so here he can see the disclaimer like this product is not refundable. So accordingly he can decide his choices, like whether he has to go for this product or not, because this product will not be refundable after the customer has purchased it. So this is how you can enable this from here, from doing the backend settings from the refund, and then creating this policy like refund in case if you can exclude product is equal to beanie with logo. So here you can decide like this. So this was all about how to enable the product note for the particular product. And here as you can see that RMA Policies tab. So in the free version demo video I have explained you in detail that how you can easily create RMA policies, and here you can also create the policies for refund, exchange and cancel also. So for the RMA policies for the exchange and cancel I will be explaining in the part 2 and part 3, that will be on exchange and cancel functionalities. So here you will get like here you can decide the policies, like here you can select the refund, exchange or cancel. Like suppose I am selecting refund, and here you can decide the rules as maximum days, order status, tax handling, minimum order, or exclude categories as is equal to not equal to. So or you can also decide various fields, and here you can decide the criteria. So this is how you can set the RMA policies for the smooth refund process on your store. Like here I have decided like I have decided the minimum order is greater than or equal to 10. So if the order is greater than or equal to 10, so the refund button will be available on that particular order. So if the amount is less than 10, so the refund will not be possible and the customer will not be able to place the refund. So this is how you can set the RMA policies as per your requirements. So this was all about the RMA policies. So let's again go back to the refund and let's scroll down and let's see the last two functionalities in this refund tab, that are refund form wrapper class and refund form custom CSS. So the next field is a refund form wrapper class. So here the admin can enter the wrapper class including integer, character or etc, and below here refund form custom CSS. So here he can perform or add custom CSS for the refund form. So here he can do the refund form custom CSS and refund form wrapper class from here. So this was all about the refund tab. So after doing all the changes, you make sure you have to click on save settings, and here to configure the refund request email, refund request accept email, refund request cancel email. So all these functionalities including refund rule editor, enable refund rules, predefined refund reason, enable refund reason description, and refund button text, all I have explained in that part 1 of the free version demo video that was on return, refund and exchange for WooCommerce plugin. So you can watch the free version demo video by clicking on the link mentioned in the description for this free version. So this was all about the refund tab. Now let's move to next tab, that is RMA policies. So as I have already explained you about the RMA policies, so like in this pro version demo video or in this pro version plugin, like in the free version you only get the three options that were maximum days, tax handling and order status. But in this pro plugin you will also get the options like, let me add more, and here you will get the option as maximum days, order status, tax handling, minimum order, and exclude categories and exclude products. So these were the some of the policies or criteria that you will be getting in this pro version plugin. So in the free version you will be only getting three criteria, that were order status, tax handling, and next was that maximum days. So only three criteria you will get in the free version plugin. So this was all about the RMA policies tab. Now let's move to next tab, that is order message tab. So we are on the order message tab. So here as you can see that here you are getting the enable attachment options. So this functionality I have explained you in detail in the free version demo video. So in this pro version plugin you will get the functionality or field to enable to block mail. So in case if the admin doesn't want to send any mail regarding exchange, refund or cancel, so simply he can enable this functionality to block the mail, so that the mail will not be sent to the customers. So this is how you can enable to block the mail functionality in case if the admin doesn't want to send email notification to the customers regarding exchange, a refund or cancel. So after doing this, simply you have to click on save settings. So this was all about the order message tab. Now let's move to next tab, that is global shipping. So we are on the global shipping tab. So with this pro plugin, the admin will get the functionality by which the admin can add an extra shipping amount that will be charged for the refund or exchange product whenever the customer opts for refund or exchange for any product. So the admin can decide the fee and like first let me enable global shipping, and here the admin will get the option of adding the fee. So when I will click on add fee, so here he can decide the name for the fee, like I am deciding extra fee and I am deciding the fee cost as 50. So this is how I have decided the this extra fee like this. And if I want to enable this global shipping on the particular product category based shipping, like here I will enable this, and if I want on particular product categories this extra fee should be applied. Or if I want global shipping only for all the products, so simply I have to click on global shipping and click on save settings. And let us go to this section, and here let me refresh this. So as you can see that this option is coming as this extra shipping fee will be deducted from the total amount when the refund request is approved. And here as you can see that shipping charges extra fee is $50, that is decided from the backend. Suppose if I have selected like for this only decor, this fee should be applied, and let me click on save settings and let me refresh this. So as you can see that this has been removed because beanie we have placed in the accessories section. Like suppose I have selected accessories and clicked on save settings, and let me refresh this. So as you can see that for this particular product category, this option is coming for the global shipping charges. So if you don't want on the product category basis, so simply you can turn it off and click on save settings. And if you want this shipping charges based on different product categories, so you can enable this. So this is how you can add an extra fee globally for all the products whenever the customer is placing for the refund or exchange products. So simply you can add a extra fee that will be charged whenever the refund request is approved for any particular product. This was all about the pro features of refund functionality. Soon I will be coming up with the part 2, part 3 and part 4 that will be on exchange, cancel and wallet functionality and integration. So stay tuned with our channel. If you have any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, you can mention your queries in the comment section. The links to the product have been mentioned in the video description content. You can check and get all the details. For any doubt, you can contact us anytime and we will be glad to help you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest updates related to our channel. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.